Brief Biography of Drogön Chögyal Phagpa by His Holiness the 42nd Sakya Trizin, Ratnavajra Rinpoche. Introduction to the Teaching. Drogön Chögyal Phagpa, the fifth Sakya patriarch, is an extraordinary figure in Tibetan history. He was an accomplished Buddhist teacher who was given the esteemed title of Dishi, or preceptor to the Emperor Kublai Khan, who founded the Yuan Dynasty. Drogön Chögyal Phagpa became both the temporal and spiritual leader over the land of snow, and he made far-reaching contributions to the spread of Buddhism across the entire Himalayan region, and especially in Mongolia. It would be difficult to overstate the magnitude of his noble deeds for the Dharma and his influence on the subsequent history of Tibet. The following account from His Holiness the 42nd Sakya Trizin is a fascinating introduction to the remarkable life of this master.
Download a free copy at the Sakya Teachings e-library. Scan the QR code or visit our website sakyatradition.org.